I hope you have seen the yesterday lecture of the IT, in which I have told you about the Window Movie Maker. And I hope you all have downloaded the Window Movie Maker from the Chrome, and you all have used it as you all have done the practical of this. Today I will show you the detailed practical of the whole chapter of the Window Movie Maker. You can see, and after that you can make a video of your friends, you can video of your birthday parties and any event which you want, in which you can add the pictures, and you can add the movies and the movies, pictures and small clips also. By this you can also add the you can also apply the transitions here, transitions also, visual effects also. You can also add on an audio also. So today I am telling you that yes, in our yesterday lecture we have done the definition of this Window Movie Maker. Window Movie Maker was an video editing software in which we can do the editing of the pictures, editing of the videos also. And plus we have done the features of the Window Movie Maker, that it was the user friendly. Many features I have told you about. It is the user friendly. It can preview, as a preview it can give you the low resolutions picture, so that it is more effective software also. You can you can extract the audio from the video also. Such type of features I have told you in my yesterday's lectures. Next, components of the Window Movie Maker. Next, in my yesterday lecture, I told you about the components of the Window Movie Maker. I told you about the various components like title bar, like storyboards, like preview pane, like its zoom in, zoom out. All these features I have told you as a component of the Window Movie Maker. In my today lecture, I will tell you how you can add the images and the videos, plus how you can add audio files and the transitions in the Window Movie Maker, plus how you can apply visual effects, title, caption, credits. All these things we can add on in our video. These are all about the Window Movie Maker. When you will do this Window Movie Maker, after this you will feel that now you are a computer expert, and you can also create a movies like a YouTube also. So it is a very easy software and you can easily use it. So just come with me for your practical session.
Now let's start to make a movie or a slideshow. How to add images and the videos. Click on the add button and photos buttons on the home tab. The home video and the photo dialog box will appear as shown in the figure. Choose pictures catalogs from the libraries folder and select the sample pictures that you are required. Now click on open button and these pictures will be added. The selected pictures will appear in the storyboard, or select all the images by using the shift key from the sample folder. Click on the open and all images will be imported in the Window Movie Maker. Similarly, you can import video clips to the storyboard with the help of the same button. All the important images and the videos are arranged in the storyboard pane as a film strip. You can see here. You can customize the look of your storyboard by selecting the zoom in and zoom out button on the zoom slider bar at the bottom left right corner of the story pane. Now click on the play button in the preview monitor pane to preview the movie. Now this is the facts that publishing the videos, you can directly share your movie on various websites such as Facebook, Vimeo, YouTube and the Flickr, etc. The sharing options are available under the share group on the home tab. You can easily split your video clips in more parts and apply animation effects to it using the split button present on the edit tab in the editing group. Adding audio files. You can insert audio files to the clip or the images to make the project more appealing. Window Movie Maker allows you to record an audio from a microphone and use it as a narration in a video. On playing the movie, the audio files will be displayed in the background along with the other media. Now, Window Movie Maker Supports a variety of audio-video formats such as .mp3, WMA, and ASF. To add an audio files, follow the given steps. Click on the Add Music button present on the Home tab in the Add group. The Add Music dialog box will appear as shown in the figure. Import any file from the sample music folder in the music library, for example sleepaway.mp3. Click on the Open button. In the storyboard pane, you will see that there is a green bar at the bottom of the clips and the images, which indicates that the audio file is imported as shown in the figure. You can record your own voice using a microphone and add it as a soundtrack to the video clip. This can be done by clicking on the Record Narration button present in the Home tab in the Add group. Now let's learn more. We can make the movie and the music at the same time using the Fit to Music option present on the Project tab in the Audio group. This automatically adjusts the duration of videos and photos as per music. Applying transition. Transitions are applied to add visual effect to the movie. They are used to add connectivity to the consecutive scenes of the movie. Transitions can be added between two images, video clips, or titles. These effects range from simple fades to complicated graphical animations. To apply transition, follow these steps. Click on the Animation tab. The list of transition is displayed in the Transition group. Click on the More drop-down arrow at the bottom right of the list, and the list expands into various categories like diagonals, dissolves, patterns and shapes, reveals, shatters, sweeps and curls, vibe, cinematic and contemporary. Click on the video clips or images and then select any transition. It will be applied to the beginning of that clip or image. To apply transition to all clips and the images in your project, click on Apply to All buttons that is present in the Transition group. Play the video and notice the transition effects. Now, how you can apply the visual effects? Visual effects are used to add special effects to the movies. These effects enhance the appeal of the movies and make it more attractive. These effects includes choice for making color effects such as sepia toning to posterizing. To add visual effects to your movie, you have to follow these steps. Number 1, click on the Visual Effect tab. The list of effects are displayed in the Effects group as shown in the figure. Click on the More drop-down arrow at the bottom right of the list, and the list expands into the various categories like artistic, black and white, cinematic, mirror, motions and fade, so many. Click on the desired video clips or image and select an effect. Here the more mirror effect you can see, it will be applied to that clip or image. To apply the effect to all clips and the images in a project, click on the Apply to All button present on the Visual Effect tab. Play the video and notice the change in the video clip. Now know the facts. Visual effects can only be applied to the objects. Adding title, captions and credits. How you can edit all these things? These caption, credits and text-based information to the movie. Titles are added to the beginning of the selected clip, while credits are added at the end of the entire projects. Caption can be added as text to an individual clips to provide relevant information. Now you can see how you can add the title. This is the method to add the title. This is similar to other Microsoft Office programs. By this you can set the start time and the text duration time. You can follow these steps to add the title. How you can add the caption. Now how you can add the media clips. Till now we have adding only a pictures. Now here is how you can add the media clips. Now this is the method. You can drag and drop the pictures also. This will reduce the duration of the video clips with the help of the trim tool. There is a trim tool. Also you can use this to edit a picture. Enter the trim duration of 4 seconds in the start position category and click on the save trim button in the trim group to accept the change. Now you can shorten the video from its end by changing the value of the end point. After doing this, now play the video and you will see the change. Now the time duration of this video clip is trimmed to 4 seconds. Fade in is used to gradually increase the volume and fade out is used to gradually decrease it. Now how you can save a movie, just see. Just click on save project as you save your files. The save project dialog box will appear. Specify the desired name in the file name box and click on the save button. While saving the movie, you can choose the output setting by clicking on the arrow present in the Save Movie button. It allows you to optimize the movie for a particular set of devices such as Android phone, Windows phone, high definition display. It depends upon your comfort level. Now how you can export a movie on YouTube, Facebook, etc. Following are the steps to export and save the movie. Click on the home button and select the save movie button present on the share group. The save movie dialog box will appear. Write the name and the final movie in the file name box. Click on the save button. The movie maker processing bar will appear on the screen and which will display the progress of export process. After the process is completed, Windows Movie Maker will display a dialog box. Now click on the play button. The movie will play in the default media player of the Windows.
I hope you have enjoyed the practical session of the Windows Movie Maker. Now you are very much familiar with this software, and now you are able to make a video by collecting the various pictures and by collecting the various clips, and by joining this you can make a complete video. You can also give the titles, captions, also this. From one pictures to another pictures, when you are moving, you can apply the transitions and the visual effects also. And at last, I have told you about the how you can save a movie and how you can export your movie on the YouTube and the Facebook. This is a easy software, and I hope you all will do the practicals of this, and after that you will make a surprise video for your parents, for your friends, for many events or those pictures you are having. By collecting this, you will make a, by collecting the pictures, by collecting the videos and clips, and after joining this you will be a video expert after this. I hope whenever you are doing some practicals, you can send me on my WhatsApp also. Wait for your response. Thank you and have a nice day.